Vienna, a city steeped in history and culture, holds a secret within its ancient walls. Beyond the grandeur of palaces and the bustle of city life, a different kind of vibrancy exists. It can be found in the tranquil serenity of Vienna's historic cemeteries, where time seems to stand still. Here, among the weathered tombstones and silent monuments, life finds a way, quietly but persistently. It thrives in unexpected forms, reminding us that nature has a remarkable ability to adapt and persist, even in the most unlikely places. Step into this peaceful realm and you'll notice a curious sight that might surprise you. Tiny mounds of freshly dug earth dot the landscape, creating a unique pattern on the ground. These are not the work of grieving relatives tending to graves, but something far more intriguing. Instead, they are the telltale signs of a remarkable resident, the European hamster, a creature of surprising resilience. In the heart of one of Europe's most historic cities, a thriving population of wild hamsters has found a sanctuary in a place where life and death intersect, creating a unique ecosystem. These charming creatures, with their chubby cheeks and boundless energy, have adapted to an urban environment in a way that is both fascinating and inspiring, showing us the beauty of coexistence. Their story is a testament to the resilience of nature and a call to appreciate the delicate balance of life that exists all around us, even in the most unexpected places. The European hamster is a creature of contrasts, a small yet resilient animal that has adapted to urban life in surprising ways. It is small, measuring just under a foot long, but its presence is mighty, often seen standing tall on its hind legs, surveying its surroundings. Its soft golden fur belies a fierce independence and a remarkable ability to survive in the most unexpected places. Unlike their domesticated counterparts, these hamsters are wild at heart, their instincts honed by generations of survival in the wild. So why have these creatures chosen the graveyards of Vienna as their home? The answer lies in the unique characteristics of these urban oases, which offer a blend of tranquility and safety. The graveyards, with their well-drained soil, offer the perfect conditions for burrowing, a vital activity for hamsters to create their homes. These burrows are not just homes, but also safe havens from predators and harsh weather, providing essential protection. The peace and quiet of the graveyards also provide a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of the city, creating a serene environment. The lack of human disturbance creates a sense of security, allowing the hamsters to forage and raise their young in relative peace, ensuring their survival. At first glance, a graveyard might seem like an unusual habitat for a wild animal. It's a place of somber reflection, a city of the dead. But beneath the surface, a different story unfolds. The graveyards of Vienna are not desolate wastelands. They are vibrant ecosystems, teeming with life in its many forms. The abundance of insects drawn to the flowering plants and trees provides a feast for the hamsters. Fallen fruit and seeds from the graveyard's diverse flora supplement their diet, creating a veritable buffet for these opportunistic eaters. The patchwork of open spaces interspersed with trees and shrubs provides ideal foraging grounds. The hamsters, with their keen sense of smell and exceptional night vision, are perfectly equipped to navigate this unique landscape. As dusk descends over Vienna, casting long shadows across the city, the graveyards come alive with a different kind of energy. The air cools and the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers hangs heavy in the air. This is the time when Vienna's tiniest residents awaken from their daytime slumber. Under the cloak of darkness, European hamsters emerge from their burrows, their noses twitching, their whiskers alert. They're on a mission to gather food, their small bodies darting between tombstones with surprising agility. Their cheek pouches, a testament to their industrious nature, bulge with seeds, nuts, and insects. The hamsters are not just opportunistic feeders, they are meticulous planners, burying their surplus food in hidden caches throughout their territory. These caches, strategically located near their burrows, provide sustenance during lean times and ensure the survival of their young. The European hamster's presence in Vienna's graveyards is a testament to their adaptability. But their existence in this urban oasis is not without its challenges. The encroachment of human activity poses a constant threat to their survival. Urban development, with its relentless hunger for land, puts pressure on these green spaces. The replacement of graveyards with modern burial practices, often in the form of columbaria, further reduces the available habitat for these ground-dwelling creatures. The loss of even a small patch of this valuable habitat can have devastating consequences for the hamster population. The presence of domestic cats, drawn to the graveyards by the abundance of rodents, is another threat. These feline predators, though beloved companions, can decimate hamster populations, disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Section 6, giving hamsters a helping hand. The plight of the European hamster has not gone unnoticed. Conservationists and local communities have rallied to protect these charismatic creatures and their unique urban habitat. Efforts are underway to educate the public about the importance of these graveyard ecosystems and the role they play in the city's biodiversity. Initiatives to create hamster-friendly green spaces within the city are gaining traction. These spaces, designed to mimic the conditions found in graveyards, offer alternative habitats for the hamsters, alleviating the pressure on existing populations. The creation of wildlife corridors connecting fragmented habitats is another crucial step towards ensuring the long-term survival of these creatures. These corridors allow hamsters to move freely between different areas, promoting genetic diversity and increasing their chances of survival. Section 7. Life and Death, Side by Side. The story of the European hamsters in Vienna's graveyards is a powerful reminder that life finds a way even in the most unexpected of places. It highlights the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving even the smallest pockets of nature within our urban landscapes. In the quiet stillness of the graveyards, life and death coexist not as opposing forces, but as part of a natural cycle. The hamsters, in their own way, remind us of this delicate balance. Their presence is a testament to the resilience of nature and a call to action for us to be better stewards of the environment. Every creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. Section 8. The future of the graveyard dwellers. The future of Vienna's graveyard hamsters hangs in the balance. Their survival depends on our willingness to make space for them in our increasingly urbanized world. It requires a shift in perspective, a recognition that nature is not something separate from us, but rather an integral part of our existence. The choices we make today will determine the fate of these creatures and countless others who share our planet. Will we continue to encroach upon their habitat, pushing them further towards the brink? Or will we choose to coexist to protect the natural world that sustains us all? The answer lies in our hands. Section 9. A call to action, our role in the story. The story of the European hamster in Vienna's graveyards is not just a local curiosity. It's a fascinating glimpse into how wildlife adapts to urban environments. It's a global story, a microcosm of the challenges facing wildlife in a human-dominated world. From city parks to suburban backyards, animals are finding ways to coexist with humans. It's a story that calls upon each of us to become more aware of our impact on the environment and to take action to protect the natural world. Every small effort counts. We can all make a difference, no matter how small. Supporting conservation organizations, volunteering for local cleanup efforts, advocating for sustainable urban development, and pushing for policies that protect natural habitats, and simply being more mindful of our own consumption habits. These are all steps in the right direction. Reducing plastic waste and recycling can have a significant impact. Let the story of the European hamster in Vienna's graveyards serve as a reminder that even in the most unexpected of places, life finds a way. Nature is resilient, and that it's our responsibility to ensure that it continues to do so for generations to come. Let's work together to create a sustainable future.